Here's some land art trivia. Subscribe. What is the name of the artist known for the earthwork Spiral Jetty? Is it A. Robert Smithson, B. Andy Goldsworthy, C. Michael Heizer, or D. Christo and Jeanne-Claude? The correct answer is A. Robert Smithson. Which land art installation features a massive roped structure in the desert? Is it A. Lightning Field, B. Christo's Umbrellas, C. Spiral Jetty, or D. The Gates? The correct answer is A. Lightning Field. Where is the land art installation The Gates located? Is it A. Golden Gate Park, B. MoMA, C. Central Park, or D. Times Square? The correct answer is C. Central Park. Who created the land art piece Double Negative? Is it A. Michael Heizer, Christo and Jeanne-Claude? Robert Smithson created Spiral Jetty, not Double Negative. C. Nancy Holt, or D. Robert Smithson? The correct answer is A. Michael Heizer. What type of art movement is closely associated with Robert Smithson? Is it A. Impressionism, B. Cubism, C. Surrealism, or D. Land art? The correct answer is D. Land art. Where is the installation Sea of Flags located? Is it A. Berlin, B. Paris, C. Amsterdam, or D. Bonn? The correct answer is D. Bonn. What is the installation by Christo and Jeanne-Claude that involved wrapping the Reichstag? Is it A. the saguaro wrapped, B. the Reichstag wrapped, C. the Louvre veiled, or D. the Gates? The correct answer is B. the Reichstag wrapped. In what year did Smithson create Spiral Jetty? Is it A. 1975, B. 1968, C. 1980, or D. 1970? The correct answer is D. 1970. What technique does Andy Goldsworthy primarily use in his land art? Is it A. digital installations, B. concrete sculptures, C. natural materials, or D. metal fabrication? The correct answer is C. natural materials. In which state is Michael Heizer's city located? Is it A. Arizona, B. New Mexico, C. California, or D. Nevada? The correct answer is D. Nevada. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.